So students, this is the second part of the lecture, that was Unit 4, Section 3, Movement of the Ocean Water. We were reading about the factors of the ocean current, and now we are on the fourth factor. This is called the shape of the continents. The shape of the continents affects the direction and movement of the water of equatorial current towards the polar areas and polar current towards the equator. After that, we will read about the second time of the movement of the water in the oceans, and this is called pattern of surface oceanic current. The pattern of surface oceanic current is affected by the pattern of wind system. Surface oceanic currents are classified on the basis of source of origin into warm and cold currents. Warm currents originate from the equatorial and tropical regions, while cold currents originate from the polar region. Now we will go towards the third type of movement of the ocean water in the sea. This is called tides. What are tides? Tides are periodic rise and fall of the water. These are small but broad pulses of sea water. If you ever observe the sea water movement, you see the high and low fall of the water. These are called tides. This is the movement of the water in which we can see small and broad blocks of sea water. We can observe two types of tides. These are high tides and low tides. High tides show sea water level become high, and in the result we can find coastal features like submerged. And low tide shows the sea water level drops, and in the result we can see the shoreline extends towards the sea. It is happened because of gravitational pulls, and these pulls are because of moon pull and sun pull. So we will see about towards the type of tides. These are daily cycle of tides. And monthly cycle of tides. First of all, we will read about the daily cycle of tides. Daily cycle of tides occurs because of the gravitational pull of sun. Two high and two low tides occurs when 24 hours on any part of the Earth's surface. For example, at sunrise about 6 am and at sunset about 6 pm, low tides occurs. At noon and at midnight, the high tides occur. So, what are the monthly cycle of tides? The moon is near to the earth, so its gravitational pull causes strong high tides called spring tides of moon, and its low tides are called neap tides of moon. So what are the spring tides and what are the neap tides? Spring tides are generated at the time of the new moon and full moon. You can observe the picture. Here the new and full moon. At these times the sun, the earth and the moon are in the straight line through the center of the earth. That is showing in the picture. And this strong gravitational pull creates a block of seawater, and other block develops on the opposite side of the world due to centrifugal force. Now we will read about the neap tide. What is the neap tide? Neap tides are generated during the first and third quarter of the moon. These moons are showing in the picture. This is the first and the third quarter of the moon, when the sun and moon are at a right angle to the position of the earth. You can see the sun and the moon are making the right angle of the earth with the position of the earth. As a result, the gravitational pull of the moon is countered by the force of the sun. This creates low tides called neap tides. Thank you.